isn't exactly working. Shit. Alright. There you go there. Oh my god. G-Wagon. 2002. Damn, yeah. Sheesh. So I wanted to do a little mini update video. I actually really didn't want to do another video until I had a running and driving car, but we have some things we have to tell you guys. So first with the WRX, like I said, I didn't want to do another video until we had the car running. We will have a lot planned. We want to do a really cool video. We really want to push ourselves from a cinematographic. How do you say that?
One more time.
Cinematic. We really wanted to improve ourselves from a cinematic standpoint, and really prove ourselves, test ourselves on our skills, editing wise as well, really see what we're capable of. But we have an update with that. I actually talked to the guy at the shop, and my pistons are back ordered until October. So it's another 3 months that I'm just not gonna have a car apparently. Shout out Raquel for letting me borrow your car for the time being. So I'm not really sure what we're gonna do. I'm not sure we're gonna have much content until then, or what our plans are. We do have some few small stuff planned, but we're really not sure what's gonna happen or where we're gonna go from there. The other update, and this is actually a little embarrassing for me and not something that I really want to share, but that's what Bad Luck Performance was about, and this was definitely some bad luck to say the least. I'm not sure if it just boiled down to some miscommunication or what, and I guess I'll just leave it at that. But I was only a mechanic for 1 week actually. I did quit, and I don't really want to use that word, but I guess I quit on Saturday, so I did work for a full 5 days. It was a good experience, I guess. I mean, I definitely learned some things. I learned a lot, actually. But yeah, I really only did it for a week. And unfortunately, it just boiled down to, I wanted to stick it out because of my pride, and I was enjoying what I was doing. But unfortunately, life isn't black and white, and there's a little bit more to it than just that. So I unfortunately had to get out of that situation and think about my income and what I was doing. So unfortunately, I'm not doing that anymore. I'm just gonna teach myself. Thanks for watching another one of our shitty videos.